Morning. Police in South Wales are
in the street, fighting the nation with their
gun and ammunition.
police and thieves in the street. Oh yes, scaring the nation with their
Police have seized a shotgun and ammunition after they
from Genesis to Revelations, yeah.
and the Real Madrid striker Cristiano Ronaldo has been accused of tax fraud. A Spanish prosecutor alleges he's guilty of avoiding paying nearly £13 billion.
Talk Sport weather
with ATS Euromaster. Relax, with 25% off when you buy 4 Michelin tyres, you're in good hands. Conditions apply. In centre only.
That would be 13 million, not billion. Dry and fine this afternoon, very warm, highs of 22.
Celsius.
From Genesis to Revelations, yeah. The next generation will be hear me.
Sprayed with urine.
From Genesis to Revelations, yeah. The next generation will be hear me.
Being tasered by the police.